Welcome friends, in today's video let's learn how to draw a snowman together. You want to start off by drawing a squished circle. This is going to form the head of the snowman, and then beneath it you want to draw a bigger squished circle, kind of make it lumpy looking, and then in the space in between you want to draw a scarf. So I closed it by drawing 2 loops, and then you want to add 2 ends for the scarf on one side of the snowman. Let's add a hat. I'm adding a stocking hat this time. Simple, just draw a loop and then draw a circle. I love the way this looks. To finish off the snowman, all you need to do is add 2 cute eyes. You can draw them small or larger. Add a carrot nose and then a smile that's made up of small dots. You want to then add some buttons onto the snowman's body and add 2 twig arms. I colored in my snowman using some dual brush pens. You want to add your marker color towards the outside of the snowman or the circle of the snowman, and then kind of leave the center of the snowman whiter. This just makes it look like a sphere. It gives more dimension to your coloring. I then added pretty colors for everything. It is so much fun and I loved how cute the snowman turned out. Let me know in the comments below what you think of today's video, and I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, happy crafting, friends!